Imagine if minutes from now you could start your very own SEO business where you can get #1 rankings and SEO traffic to your own sites or sell SEO services to other people and get paid monthly or get paid hundreds of dollars for something that a simple software can automate for you within minutes. Now, if that sounds amazing, then go ahead and check out this incredible demo of Scrutinise, a cloud-based SEO software that automates everything for you from start to finish. So I'm right here in the dashboard for Scrutinise right now. All I have to do is log in, and the software takes me inside the Scrutinise dashboard, which enables you to start your very own SEO business. Now there's a lot of features inside Scrutinise. There's over 20 different SEO features, varying from content creation to keywords tracking, backlinks, and then of course the most important part is the SEO auditor. Now the SEO auditor basically gives you a full SEO report on any website, and this is something that people are paying hundreds of dollars for on places like Fiverr. So let's check it out right now. So I'm going to type in a website address and audit it, and then Scrutinise analyzes the website and it's going to give me a full report that I can then download and then use for myself or give it away or sell it, right? So it's very, very powerful. I have a download PDF here, I have a score here. It tells me how I can better SEO optimize my site. So for example, including a meta description, the keywords. It then analyzes all the keywords that my website is currently ranking and being SEO optimized for. It gives me the headings, the sitemap, links. It gives me traffic reports and much, much, much more. So it's fully done for you. You can instantly export this as a PDF, sell it to other people, or use it for yourself to better audit your site. And once you do an audit, you can always download the report later. Next up is the article rewriter. Now this creates 100% unique content with the push of a button. Now obviously what I want to do here is paste an actual article or like an extract from a website or whatever, but if I click rewrite, it's going to rewrite this into 100% unique content. So it does this through synonyms and through special encodings. So if I take this sentence right here, now this is obviously just one sentence, but it's going to work the same across any article that you want. And if I search it for it in Google, you're gonna see there's no results found. So this piece of sentence that the software just created is 100% unique. That's important. You can sell unique content on places like Fiverr, or you can use it on your own website. Now the website auditor we've already checked, but then there's also a keywords auditor that lets you find the best keywords possible. There's a visitor tracker for tracking, and then my favorite part is the backlink maker, which is going to send thousands and thousands of unique backlinks to any site. So all you have to do is create a domain, add your own domain or a client's domain, and the software is going to go out there and populate this link here, which can be any link. It can be an affiliate offer, it can be your own sites, it can be client sites that they're paying you for. It's going to go out there and create backlinks, hundreds and hundreds of backlinks. So if I leave this on, it's going to just go on and on and on and create me. So it found that for this domain, it's going to create 52 backlinks, right? But if I run it again and again, it can run into the thousands of backlinks. So I'm going to close this right now. Basically, let me go back to the dashboard here. You have a ton of different features, and then you have training and our own support and bonuses as well, all inside one simple to use cloud-based software. Welcome to Scrutinise. Go ahead right now, secure access to this incredible software by clicking the buy button on the sales page, and I will see you on the inside.